How to get Peacock on any TV. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before you start, ensure that your smart TV is compatible with the Peacock app. Most modern smart TVs like TCL Smart TV support popular streaming apps, but it's a good idea to check the App Store on your TV to confirm. To ensure a smooth installation process, make sure your smart TV's firmware is up to date. Second is to access the App Store. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the main menu. Look for the App Store streaming apps or a similar option, and this is where you'll find the Peacock application. If your TV has a voice search, you can simply say Peacock to search for the app. Now search for Peacock. In the App Store, use the search bar to look for Peacock. Once you find the Peacock app, select it to open the app's details. Now download and install. Just click on the download or install button and the app will begin downloading and installing on your smart TV. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After that, you can go ahead and launch the Peacock app. And then once you have the app, go ahead and sign up for an account or sign in with your account. Peacock offers both Premium and Premium Plus subscription options. You can choose a plan that suits your preferences. The Premium plan provides access to a limited library with ads, while the Premium Plus plans offer an ad-free experience and access to exclusive content. Now, after that, you can go ahead and start streaming. And that is how you can basically get Peacock on any TV.